I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, and yesterday Robinhood, the investment app, made a huge announcement. They announced that crypto wallets are coming to Robinhood. So what is that and why does that matter? Robinhood is one of the most popular investment apps right now, especially among younger investors, Gen Z, millennials, people in that kind of age range. And I've been testing Robinhood, tracking my own portfolio over there, one of the things you can do on the app really easily is invest in crypto. So if you take a look, I can look at different kinds of crypto that I can put money into, and I've done that in my own investment portfolio there. I've put money into Dogecoin and others to test them out. But at the moment, it's just been investing dollars into crypto and then tracking that investment almost like a stock and then pulling that back out. You couldn't actually put your own crypto if you have it from other places, maybe mining, or if you've been paid in crypto, you couldn't manage that in the Robinhood app or use it to make purchases. So you're basically investing in the coins, but not necessarily holding and owning the coins. And once you bought Dogecoin, for example, on the app, there wasn't necessarily an easy way to take that and use it to transact, or again, to transfer in mining earnings and that kind of thing. So the new change that's happening with wallets is really exciting because they're basically joining places like Coinbase in the space where they're actually going to allow you to transfer in coins and hold your crypto with Robinhood, and they'll have wallets that are secure and managed where you can actually have your coins in there and you can transact, you can send them to people, you can pay for things, you can be paid, and you can invest them and pull them in and out of different investments commission-free, they say, just like you would with cash on Robinhood. So that's a really big change. It maybe doesn't seem like so big of a change from a user standpoint in some cases because you can already invest in crypto on the app, but it's a big deal in terms of them taking control or a higher level of control over the actual coins themselves instead of just acting as almost like a stockbroker there. I'm excited about it because I do crypto mining, so I have a fair amount of Bitcoin that I've mined, and it would be nice to be able to move that over and actually manage it in Robinhood alongside other investments, pull it in and out of the market, trade it for other crypto coins, and that kind of thing. They also have a different range of coins that they offer than other services like Coinbase, so it's nice to see that there's going to be more options around that. So this is the blog post announcing this new change, the fact that wallets are coming. They say that it will probably be sometime in October that this starts to be rolled out to their waitlist. I am number 524,000 on the waitlist, so probably going to have to wait a little while to get that feature. Pretty amazing that they have over 500,000 people who are interested in managing their crypto coins on Robinhood. But it makes sense. Almost a quarter of their revenue now apparently is coming from crypto trading. So they're definitely not only an app for trading stocks now, but they're definitely a very popular choice for people who are putting money in crypto and trying to make investments there. So actually managing people's coins and allowing you to transfer coins in and hold them is definitely a big benefit to them, and I think a benefit to users as well. So I'm excited. It should roll out to everybody, probably a few months, maybe into 2022. We should start to see this feature rolled out to more people. They do want to remind you, and I should remind you as well, that cryptocurrencies are really volatile. You can see things, even with Bitcoin swing from a few $1,000s a coin to $40,000 or $50,000 or $60,000 a coin. So if you're going to put money into crypto, be aware of that. But if you have coins already and you want to transfer them in and manage them with Robinhood, jump on that wait list. Again, you're probably going to have to wait a little while if you're like me and you just joined the app and just joined the list. But I'm excited to see this roll out, and I will be here testing it as soon as it's made available to me whenever I'm off that wait list and I actually have the feature in my app. So follow along here. Subscribe to my channel. Go to DIYLifeTech.com also. I'll be doing full coverage of how my portfolio on Robinhood does, and also rolling out coverage of these new features as they add them, testing them out for you so you can see how they work. Remember, nothing in here is investment advice. Always consult with your own advisor before you make any financial decisions. And if you do want to try Robinhood out, feel free to use the link in my description below. And if you do that, and then both of us will get a little stock bonus. So thank you for watching, and let's see what happens with this new cryptocurrency wallet feature.